Welcome to Little John's Yarns. Today we're going to do my top 5 favorite crafts tools. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll hop right into it. Coming in at number 5, the Jumbo Pom Pom Maker. Who doesn't love an oversized pom-pom? This pom-pom maker is created by Clover, measuring in at a whopping 4.5 inches diameter. And it comes with a measuring scale so you can make multicolored pom-poms. I know you can make a big oversized pom-pom using your hand or maybe even a cardboard cutout, but this is nice knowing that you always have around. It's sturdy and doesn't break, and each one of your pom-poms will be consistently the same size no matter what. So if you're making something that needs a match, like both ends on a scarf, you know both are going to be the same size. And also, I love how huge this is. You can pretty much make anything. I'm going to insert a comparison picture so you can see the difference between this one and a smaller pom-pom maker. This is great for over-the-top items such as hats, or you can even make a pom-pom planter. I'll insert pictures of those here. I want to show you one more cool thing about this pom-pom maker. It has a measuring scale arch on it, so you can combine multiple colors on your pom-pom maker in sections, so it's going to be evenly spaced. Can you see the marks right there? I'll give you a closer look on a cutout. So this is what I'm talking about, where you can add colors in evenly spaced sections to make a multicolored ball. Now check out the size of this pom-pom. It is pretty huge. Coming in at number 4, the Susan Bates Finger Row Counter, making counting rows a lot easier. The Susan Bates Row Counter is an awesome little tool to add to your craft arsenal. The great thing about this, all you do is place it on your finger and crochet and knit as you go. Once you make it to the end of your row, you just press this little button right here and it counts the row for you. And this little button right next to it, it just resets it. The great thing about this little device, let's say you finish a row and you need to put it away for later. You can take this off and set it someplace safe. Even though the screen will go blank, it remembers exactly what row you're on, so you don't have to rely on your own memory or a piece of paper that you lost. That's what I do all the time. Some people don't find it bothersome to crochet or knit with this on their finger. Me personally, I don't really care for it on my finger. I like to put it off to the side, do my work, and once I get to the end of the row, then click it. But I definitely recommend you get one of these. I'll leave all the information in the description box below on exactly where you can purchase one of these devices. Number 3, Crochet Lite. The crochet hook with a little light on the tip. Great for working with hard to see stitches. The Crochet Lite is another one of my favorite tools. This one I have in a J hook. The great thing about this, there's a little on and off button, and the light comes on. Some people think this is great for crocheting in the dark. I don't believe you should crochet in the dark, but this is awesome for when you're working with black yarn and you're having difficulty seeing the stitches. I'll let you see the crochet hook in action. As you can see, it's very hard to see the black stitches when you're working with it, but with this hook, once you get close, you can see exactly where the stitch is. It makes all your stitches visible. Show you again. Can't see the stitch clearly? Now you can. Can't see the stitch clearly? Now you can. So this is another awesome tool to add to your crochet arsenal. I'll leave a link in the description box below about all the information about the Crochet Lite crochet hook. Coming in at number 2, electric scissors. I was lucky enough to find this pair at a thrift store. It's an older set, but you can find newer and improved versions anywhere in craft stores or online. Once you try electric scissors, you'll never want to go back to a normal pair of scissors ever again. Mine is an older one, like I said, I got from the Goodwill, but if this thing ever breaks down, I guarantee I will go out and buy me a brand new pair of electric scissors. The newer ones, of course, are cordless. And the great thing about this, you cut through items like butter. All you have to do is press this button and cut right through your item. So I'm going to show you what this little thing does in action. I'm going to use a little piece of felt and I'm going to cut through it. All you do is press this button and it turns on. I know it's pretty loud, but I'm just going to show you how it works. like butter. Now I want to show you how I cut with a pair of scissors. It's not the best pair of scissors, but I'm working. This is felt. As you can see, it's a tough go. I would definitely suggest one of these. I'm going to put a link down in the description box below on a pair of scissors that I looked up on Amazon that had a lot of reviews. So I'll leave that link down in the description box below of some electronic scissors. This is my #1 must-have in your craft arsenal. This little crochet knit toolkit full of random things that you'll need if you crochet or knit. If you're anything like me, you lose all of your crochet crafts. This little thing has a total of 53 items that you may need. Like I said, I lose half of mine, so most of my stuff is already gone. It comes with quite a few ergonomic crochet hooks. I think this kit only cost me $11 and some change. For 53 items in it is pretty awesome. Also, these are for like the bigger size hooks, and for your smaller size hooks, they'll come in a little blue. You'll get a great pair of scissors, your little stitch markers, also knitting needle little handles, a thimble, which I lost someplace. And also you get one of these row counters where you just twist. Everything you need is in this awesome little tiny kit. Like I said, most of the stuff in the kit I've already lost, but that's okay. I'll go out again and spend $11 and buy me 53 new items of stuff I can easily accidentally lose in my craft room. So I will leave a link in the description box below on exactly where I got this craft kit, which I definitely suggest if you're anything like me and forgetful. The link will be in the description box below. That's a wrap for my top 5. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come out with 3 new videos every week. I'll see you on the next one.